Hey savvy moneymakers! Ever wondered how you could pocket a cool $70 with just a few taps on your device? Well, today's your lucky day because I've got a mind-blowing cash trick that's going to revolutionize the way you make money online in 2024. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Pivot Online. Let's dive right in and discover how to turn every app installation into a money-making opportunity. Step 1. Log in. Let's take a stroll into the exciting world of Kazword, where a bounty of high-paying offers awaits your discovery. The coolest part? It's not just limited to your trusty Android mobile device. Your laptop or computer can get in on the action too. Imagine the possibilities, right? Now, if you're all about making that moolah on the go, here's the ticket. Kazword's app. Pop it on your mobile device and you're in the game. But before you start your cash-making adventure, you've got to make your grand entrance by signing up on their website. The best part? It's not going to cost you a single penny. Once you've confirmed your email and made it past the virtual velvet ropes, brace yourself for the cool part, the dashboard. It's like a bustling city center where folks from every corner of the globe are pocketing cash every minute. All thanks to a bit of app installing magic. This is no exclusive club. Kazword welcomes users from all walks of life and countries. So no matter where you find yourself on the map, you're invited to jump right into the global cash flow fiesta. Step 2. Install apps. Making money by installing apps is a breeze. On your dashboard, simply scroll down a bit and voila! You'll find a treasure trove of apps waiting for you to install and start earning. The list seems endless, with hundreds if not thousands of apps at your disposal. Now among these apps, you'll stumble upon familiar ones we use in our daily lives like Cash App. If you don't have it yet, no worries. Install it from the dashboard and make $4.20 instantly. Clicking on the Cash App reveals specific requirements for earning, often tailored for new users. Once you've read through the requirements, hit Start Offer, and you'll be redirected to the Google Play Store. Keep in mind, this particular offer is exclusive to Android users. Install the app, fulfill the conditions, and see a sweet $4.20 credited to your account. But wait, there's more. Check out the YouTube app offer dangling a tempting 96 cents. Click on it and you'll discover it's from the public survey panel. To claim your reward, sign up with accurate details and just like magic, see 96 cents instantly added to your account. Repeat this process with various app offers like the Google offer, available for both Android and iOS users. Score 60 cents by participating in a $500 Google Play gift card contest. Register, verify your email, join the contest, and watch 60 cents flow into your account. Hey, if you haven't already, why not take a moment to subscribe to Pivot Online? Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the next ingenious money-making strategies and exciting opportunities coming your way. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's pivot together toward a future filled with financial victories. Now let's get back to the video. Step 3. Checking out offers. For those eyeing substantial earnings from installing apps, let's explore some captivating offers. Head to the Sort By option and select the highest payout. This will unveil a lineup of the most lucrative apps waiting for you. For instance, if you're up for DoorDash deliveries, grab the DoorDash app from this section and pocket over $15 for free. Clicking on the offer reveals that you need to sign up on DoorDash, activate your account, and once you complete your first delivery, boom, you're credited with $15 just like that. And if you've got an interest in becoming an Uber driver, install the app here and stand a chance to earn up to a whopping $180 after completing your first trip. Take, for example, the game Ant Legion. An enticing $235 awaits you. Whether you're on Android or iOS, open the offer, complete various in-game events, and get paid for your progress every 7 days. Reach the second level, earn 12 cents. Hit level 11, pocket $12. Conquer level 18, score $20. Dominate level 23, bank $43. And at the 31st level, claim the grand prize of $144. Step 4. Withdrawal. Now let's dive into the exciting world of withdrawal. Simply click on the Shop section and you'll land on a page where the possibilities are endless. There's a variety of withdrawal options, from Apple gift cards to Xbox, eBay, Airbnb, Google Play, Amazon, and more. I find PayPal to be the most convenient. Just type PayPal in the search box, and you'll find the PayPal voucher option. From here you can withdraw a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $20 at a time. Let's opt for the $20 option. But hold on, there's a small fee, 10%, for withdrawing through PayPal. Click on the Withdraw $22 button, and your PayPal voucher is submitted for approval. And there you have it, money-making mavens. Wasn't that a game changer? If you're ready to pivot your income and turn those app installations into a cash extravaganza, don't forget to hit that like button. Smash it like you're smashing your financial goals in 2024. For more ingenious money-making insights and thrilling online opportunities, make sure to pivot over to that subscribe button and join the Pivot Online community. We appreciate your support, and as always, until next time.